Hi, I'm Michael from Bennison Mortgages. Today I wanted to talk to you about mortgages for freelancers, contractors or small business owners. The mortgage process can feel like a maze, but don't worry. I'm here to break it down step by step so you can understand exactly what lenders are looking for and how to make yourself an attractive applicant. Now, before we dive in, remember that mortgage lending in the UK is a bit different from other places, so understanding the UK specific process is key. If you're self-employed, lenders will want to see evidence that you can reliably pay back your mortgage, so we're going to talk about how you can prove that. Now, first things first, lenders are looking for three main things when reviewing your application. They'll want to understand your credit score, so your credit history. They'll want to see that your income is stable, so we'll need to show evidence of that. And they'll also want to ensure that the mortgage is affordable for you. For freelancers and self-employed buyers, proving these things is key. The more stable your income, the more likely lenders are to offer you a mortgage. But remember, with self-employed income, it can fluctuate, and that's where a bit of extra paperwork comes into play. One of the first steps is gathering all your documents. For a self-employed application, individuals will typically need maybe their last 2 years' worth of personal tax returns, the company accounts if it's a limited company that you trade through, and then business bank statements showing your current income. Now, I know these documents can feel overwhelming, but they are the cornerstone of your application. If you're not sure how to get all these documents together and you've got an accountant, they can always be a really big help here to make sure that you're prepared. Lenders will want to see proof that you can maintain a stable income. If you're a freelancer or self-employed, typically that means showing consistent earnings over a period of time, which for most lenders is 2 years. The more steady your income is, the better chance we have of approval. However, if your income varies, or perhaps you've not been trading for 2 full years yet, there are potentially lenders who may be able to assist depending on your individual circumstances. Providing items such as accounts forecasts or contracts showing that your income will continue to remain stable in the future can be helpful additions to your application. Now, once we can verify your income, let's go on to your credit score. Lenders will look at your credit history to assess how likely you are to repay the mortgage. Everyone's application is different, but generally, the better your credit score, the more likely we are to have the full range of lenders available, potentially giving you access to better rates. If your score is low, don't panic. It's still possible to get a mortgage, but you may face higher interest rates or stricter terms. If you're not sure what your credit score is, it's easy to check with agencies like Experian or Equifax online. And if your score isn't where you'd like it to be, take steps to improve it by paying off debts and making sure you stay on top of your bills. Now, when you're self-employed, it's especially important to shop around for the right lender. Not all lenders treat self-employed applicants the same way. Some may be more flexible with your income, and some may even specialise in lending to freelancers and contracts. It's worth speaking to a whole-of-market mortgage broker who can help you and find the best deal for your unique financial situation. Some mortgage providers in the UK offer specialist products for the self-employed, so don't feel like you have to stick with the high street banks. A broker can help you find the right lender who understands your situation. Now, getting pre-approved for the mortgage is one of the most important steps in the process when you're looking to purchase a new home. It gives you a clear idea of what you can afford and shows sellers that you're a serious buyer. You'll still need to go through the application process, but arranging an agreement of principle or a decision in principle can make all the difference when you're looking to make an offer on your dream home and make you look more attractive to the seller. Now, to get pre-approved, you'll need to provide those documents we talked about earlier, and the lender will give you an indication of how much they're willing to lend based on your financial situation. Finally, be aware that the mortgage process can take some time, whether you're self-employed or employed. Lenders often need more time to review your documents and verify your income. It's important to get these things right first time to ensure the process is smooth, and using an experienced broker will ensure this happens and give you the best outcome. So there you have it, everything you need to know about getting a mortgage as a freelancer or self-employed buyer in the UK, showing that you're financially stable, you're organised and you're ready for the responsibility of home ownership. If you follow these steps and work with the right lenders, you can absolutely make it happen.